If you ask the average Nigerian professional climbing the corporate ladder what car they want next, 9 out of 10 times, the answer is a Lexus ES350. It is the ultimate status symbol of I have arrived without looking financially irresponsible. On paper, it makes perfect sense. You get executive leather seats, premium sound, a powerful engine, and the bulletproof peace of mind that comes with owning a Toyota. But behind that smooth ride and prestigious badge lines of the Lexus hides a lie. Many Nigerians buy the Lexus ES350, rushing into dealerships with millions of naira, only to realize too late that owning this car comes with a unique set of frustrating experiences. In this video, we are documenting the luxury curtain and telling you the brutal lessons learned from owning a Lexus ES350 and why you might regret owning it. Before I continue, in case you haven't subscribed, click subscribe, turn on the notification icon, and share this video with your friends who might want to learn more about the Lexus ES350. Let's start with the most immediate headache you will face: ground clearance. The Lexus ES350 is built low to the ground, with roughly 5.9 inches of clearance. Now, that is perfectly fine for the highways of Houston, Texas, or Dubai. But on Nigerian roads, it's a constant battle. Think about those massive improvised speed bumps built inside residential estates, or the sudden craters that appear on major roads during the rainy season. Every single time you have passengers in the back seat and you cross a bump, you will hear that heart-wrenching scrape from underneath. It doesn't just sound bad, it's doing expensive damage. Over time, this constant scraping tears away your front bumper and the clips, destroys your plastic underguards, and can crack your aluminium oil sump. If you live in an area with poor drainage or unpaved streets, you will quickly find yourself driving like a snail, trying to take bumps at a weird 45-degree angle just to save your car. Within a month, the stress alone will make you question your choice. Reason number 2 is something that hits your wallet every single week: fuel consumption. Yes, the ES350 is famous for its smooth, robust 3.5-liter V6 engine. On the open highway from Lagos to Ibadan, it is a joy to drive, but let's be realistic. Where will you spend 80% of your time driving? In heavy crawling traffic, when a massive 6-cylinder engine sits idling for 2 hours on the 10 Million Bridge or in Abuja rush hour. It breathes fuel. With the current price of petrol in Nigeria, feeding a V6 engine daily is a serious financial commitment. Many buyers calculate the cost of buying a car, but they completely forget to calculate the cost of fueling it. If you are upgrading from a 4-cylinder Toyota Corolla or Honda Civic, the jump in your monthly fuel bill will shock you. You might quickly find yourself wishing you had looked for the rarer 4-cylinder ES250 or a hybrid car instead. Now let's talk about security. And no, I don't mean the whole car being stolen. The Lexus ES350 is an absolute magnet for local car part thieves. Why? Because the parts are incredibly high demand. The 2 biggest targets are your side mirrors and your original catalytic converters, popularly known in Nigeria as Indomie. If you leave your ES350 parked on an unsecure street for even 30 minutes or at an event center with poor security, you risk walking off to find your side mirrors violently ripped off. The thieves don't just take the glass, they smash the housing and cut the electrical wiring inside your door panels. Replacing these with original audio dimming parts costs a fortune, and if a shady mechanic secretly hollows out your catalytic converter during a routine service, your dashboard will light up with warning check engine codes that are incredibly frustrating to clear. Owning this car means constantly worrying about where you park it. Reason number 4 is the market itself. Because everyone in Nigeria wants an ES350, it is one of the most heavily manipulated cars in the Tokumbo market. Unscrupulous car dealers know they can make quick money here. As a result, the market is flooded with salvage cars, vehicles that were severely crashed or completely submerged in floods abroad. shipped to Nigeria and cheaply repaired. They use heavy body filler, spray a fresh coat of shiny paint, clear the error codes from the dashboard, and list it as sparkling Tokumbo. Because ES350 is packed with premium electronics like seat heaters, advanced safety sensors, and intricate wiring. Hidden flaw damage will start to show up a few weeks after you buy it. Suddenly, your transmission starts jacking or electrical components start failing one by one. If you don't pay a professional inspector to scan the car before buying, you're walking away straight into a money pit. Don't get me wrong, the Lexus ES350 is a smart, phenomenal machine. If you have smooth roads, a secure compound to park in, and a healthy budget for fuel, it will serve you beautifully for years. But if your daily routine is rough, or if you want an economical daily commuter, you might want to look elsewhere. You could reconsider a Toyota Camry of the same year range for better ground clearance, or even step up to a Lexus RX 350 SUV if you want luxury but need to survive Nigerian potholes. What do you think? Do you think I was being too harsh on the ES350? Do you think it's overrated? Let me know your experiences in the comment section down below. Share with your friends who have used this car and who want to use this car, and I'll see you in my next video.